Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we will make smoothie recipe rich in potassium. This powerhouse potassium smoothie is creamy and fruity that includes potassium-rich foods including coconut water, spinach, orange and banana. Potassium helps to boost your kidney, bones and cardiovascular system health. Ingredients: 1 glass of coconut water, 1 banana, 1 tablespoon honey, 1 orange and 1 cup spinach. Put all the ingredients in a blender, blend for a few minutes until it gets smooth and fruity. Banana is a powerful potassium-rich fruit which is good for your heart. Spinach is rich in potassium that helps to control your high blood pressure. Potassium helps in lowering the effect of sodium in the body. 1 cup of orange juice fulfill your daily requirement of potassium. Coconut water is considered to be rich source of potassium that remove extra sodium from your body through your urine and lower blood pressure. If you like this video, so please hit the like button. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe our channel.